How to fix Voicemod Soundboard not working on Discord. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you additional informations of settings for you to be able to have it working if you're using Voicemod Soundboard onto your Discord client or account. So first is you've got to make sure that your input and output devices are on the same place. So if you go ahead and pull up your voice mod, make sure that it is currently matching on what is the current microphone you're trying to attach into your PC, which is going to be input and for output as well. Same goes with your Discord client. If you just go into your user's settings on your Discord client, you can scroll down at the left side and then go into voice and video. Now from here, you're gonna have to do the same thing. So the input devices and output devices that you can see on your voice mode client needs to be matched on your current PC and as well as into your Discord client, which is going to be set into default and as well as your speaker. Your microphone is going to be the input and your speakers is going to be the output. Again, it has to match your input devices and output devices depending on what you use on your voice mod and as well as your current PC. That is how you fix voice mod soundboard not working on Discord.